5 reasons why you should use AP automation in financial services. The rapid evolvement of technology, the increasing consumer demand, and the escalating competition between businesses have complicated the functioning of the companies. With costs rising every day and time consumption on workload mounting up, people are looking for ways to automate the manual data entry processes. Accounts payable or AP automation is one such method where the extraction of invoice data takes place. So, why is AP automation important in financial services? And what role does it play in the financial sector? Well, the financial sector is facing challenges such as escalation of costs when manually entering data, approval process delays due to the absence of mobility features, and lack of visibility and control of the invoice process. AP automation aims to address these questions and guard the productivity of the financial services. So, let's look at 5 reasons why you should use AP automation in the financial sector. 1. Improve visibility and transparency. Lack of proper visibility in the accounts payable process can deteriorate the trust with the service providers. Especially in the financial services, it is important to safeguard your efficiency to maintain healthy and profitable relationships. AP automation can capture transaction data and correspondence across the process, which increases the visibility and transparency of the transaction processes. It allows employees, stakeholders, and service providers to gain visibility of the status of the invoices of the outstanding payments and purchases. Moreover, AP automation allows creating financial reports, real-time transaction monitoring, and tracking the flow of cash. It also provides insight for strategic partnerships with suppliers by using deep analytics, monitoring invoice status, purchases, and many more. 2. Saves time. The efficiency of the financial services depends on time. Therefore, time management is vital when it comes to the accounts payable process. Traditionally, the accounts payable process was done manually where the invoices and bills would lay around on the desks for days without being entered into the database. It devours much time, leaves the employees exhausted, and is prone to error. This can be a huge drawback to the steady flow of your financial services. AP automation seeks to set a period for tardiness. AP automation can enter data, match invoices, and code them swiftly without human interference, and cuts off the slowness. The staff can save their time and use it more efficiently for the growth of their services. 3. Accurate and efficient. The traditional method of manual AP process not only consumes time but can be erroneous as well. Manual AP processes can result in entering wrong figures, duplicating statistics, and contradictions. This can put the accuracy of the transactions at stake. Financial services cannot haggle with these inconveniences. AP automation can reduce these errors by 99% as the automation solutions are designed to catch duplicate payments and track common errors like inconsistencies. AP automation solutions also allow to match invoices, saving the accuracy level of the process. 4. Tackles labor shortages and additional costs. Manual accounts payable process is not only tiring but needs human resources to enter data as well. This can be challenging due to labor shortages, plus it results in high employee payments. AP automation addresses this issue by offering software that can easily extract data, enter data, and store them. With this, you can save your resources and time and use them more productively for the betterment of your services. It can be cost-effective as it reduces paperwork and saves the money spent on paper and delivery processes. Therefore, automating the accounts payable process can cut off errors and improve the quality of your services. 5. Maintains productivity. The AP automation software is capable of invoice processing as soon as the financial services receive them. It simplifies the tedious process of entering data without human interference. It helps to maintain the streamline of services of your company. This creates a positive impact on the development of your company, as well as enhances the relationship between your clients and vendors. How can ELIPO help you? ELIPO will help you to automate your manual invoice process. It seeks to bridge the gap between you and your vendors by assisting you with invoice processing procedures while ensuring visibility, accuracy, productivity, and save your time. Want to learn more about the AP automation processes? Visit our website at www.payable.com or email us at sales@payable.com now.